Want a minimalist link in bio page in Elementor without the guesswork? Follow these 13 simple clicks and go live in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through selecting the minimalist template, customizing the image, bio, icons, and buttons, then fine-tune the style and advanced settings. First, go to Edit Home with Elementor to open the page builder. Then, click on the highlight to select that element. Now click on the highlight again to move on. Next, click on Link in Bio to pick that template type. Then click on Minimalist to choose that style. Click on Image Style to open the image settings. Then click on Choose Image to select your own photo. Now, click on Position to adjust the layout arrangement. And click on Bio to edit the bio text. Go ahead and click on Icons to manage the social icons. Then click on CTA Link buttons to set up your call to action buttons. Next, click on Style for customizing the colors and fonts. Finally, click on Advanced for additional settings, and you're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.